How do you install the Ring flood and freeze sensor? Let's walk through the complete process. Start by opening the Ring app on your mobile device and selecting Set up a device. Rotate the sensor case counterclockwise to open. You'll see a QR code inside. You scan the QR code with your device's camera, and the app will guide you through activation. Pull the battery tab when prompted to power on the device. It will automatically update to the latest firmware. Following setup, proper case closure is essential for accurate water detection. Align the indicator line with the unlocked icon, and then rotate clockwise until the line is positioned below the locked icon. This ensures the internal and external water detection contacts are properly aligned. Now let's verify that the sensor is working correctly. Place it on a shallow plate of water, but do not fully submerge the device. The alarm will sound for 5 seconds at 25-second intervals for up to 1 minute. You'll receive an alert notification in the Ring app. Acknowledge and dismiss the alert. Dry the sensor thoroughly and repeat the test to confirm consistent operation. Dismiss the second alert in the app, and you're all set. Make sure to dry your sensor thoroughly before installing. Install the sensor in areas where water leaks may occur, near water heaters, under sinks, or on basement floors. Your Ring flood and freeze sensor is now installed and ready to catch leaks or freezing temps early and stop damage before it starts.